So the king of soil blocks is Eliot Coleman, and he has a soil block recipe in his book, which works pretty well. But really, you can make soil blocks with just about any recipe you want. So I'm going to use the same mix that we're going to fill trays with later. And all you're going to do is take it, and then you're going to wet it. The moisture content of soil blocks is really important for holding them together. You want it to kind of be pliable like clay. You want it to hold like a fist when you make a fist. As you start making soil blocks, you'll learn a lot about how much moisture you want in your mix. One of the benefits of soil blocks is you're going to compress a lot of soil into a small area, and that's going to give your seedlings more nutrients and more places for the roots to grow. The roots should not grow in between blocks because there should be slight air gaps in between blocks. So the roots should stop from going from one to one. So creating a soil block is easy. All you're going to do is take your maker and you're going to push it down really hard multiple times because you want to get as much possible soil in there. Once you're totally full, you're going to come over to your area, and I found buying trays, like cookie sheets, at the dollar store somewhere or at yard sales is a perfect thing to use for soil blocks. So you're just going to push down, you're going to push the lever and gently pull up. And if you did okay, you should end up with soil blocks. Now soil blocks are very delicate. We have found a putty knife being very useful for moving them around. The other trick with soil blocks is you have to be careful when you water them. However, one of the things you can do with them that you cannot do with traditional start trays is you can grow beets in them. So here are some little pelleted beet seeds. And you can put 2 in each because beets are like little fruits. So there actually are like 6 seeds in each little beet seed, 6 potential little beets. You put them in like that, and then you can just put a tamp of soil over the top. And then each one of these will grow a little cluster of beets, so you can plant them at like 12 inches in your garden. So this is a mini soil block maker, and the benefit of this is you can use it to start lots more seeds in a small area. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to make your blocks, push really hard. Okay. And then once you have them, you're going to push them down just like everything else. Okay. And you start seeds in each one. You just kind of want to gently push, and you wouldn't use a seed this big. I'm just doing it for demonstration. You just kind of gently want to push the seed down into the little hole. It's going to germinate in a couple of days, and when it does, you're going to take it and you're going to place it in one of the larger blocks. And if a block breaks, don't worry about it and put it in a different block.